This is one of our Farmall tractors. We have two of these. This one's set up for cultivating. It does have a fertilizer distributor on the side, which it works, but we don't use it a whole lot. You'll be able to see the before and after effects of the cultivating. I think it's a 1957 model. It's about 19 horse. And it looks like it's kind of slow, but when you're driving it, it feels like you're going really, really fast. You'll hit some corn every once in a while. You have a few skips there. It'll really clean it up. The way our garden's set up, he's got to drive around that way and come back is a little easier than trying to back up and turn and all that stuff. We do the rows at an angle because that's the way the land kind of slopes. So it kind of keeps the washing out when it rains real heavy. Yeah, you kind of, the steering wheel is like right over the row usually. That way you can see where you're cultivating at. This is a one row. You got to keep adjusting it the whole time you're driving. They use what they call thumb control hydraulics. You just take your thumb and you can push it up. It's dual. They actually are a little bit different than a 3-point hitch because these have pressure up and down. All right, that's how we cultivate our corn.